Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode, just like this, turn on, turn off, and by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also set up a schedule for this mode based on your percentage, which means like at 15% battery, power saving mode turns on automatically, and you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.